Forgotten username recovery failed on ETRADE App Fix. If you've tried to recover your ETRADE username and hit a dead end, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email, skipping verification, or missing the recovery email entirely. The surprising truth is that a few simple steps can get you back into your account fast. Step 1. Open the ETRADE app or go to the login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. ETRADE will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login information. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, promotions, and junk. Recovery emails often get filtered, and missing them is the main reason people think the process has failed. Avoid sending multiple requests in a short period, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information like your full name, social security number, and recent account activity. Contact ETRADE support directly with these details for faster recovery. Include any linked phone numbers to speed up verification. Tip 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it safely in a password manager or a secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection and prevents future login issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your ETRADE account quickly and securely. Proper verification and credential management are essential for keeping your financial information safe and accessible.